Window installation costs in Jacksonville. What you can expect with Koehler Home Improvement. When you're planning to install new windows, understanding the real costs is key to making a smart investment. At Koehler Home Improvement, we believe in full transparency and high-quality service at every price point. Whether you're looking for energy efficiency, hurricane protection, or simply a fresh new look, we're here to deliver top results, affordably. Cost by window type. Window installation costs in Jacksonville vary depending on the type of window you choose. Single-hung vinyl windows typically cost $150 to $200 per window. Double-hung vinyl windows generally range from $160 to $330. Sliding vinyl windows usually fall between $145 and $350. Casement vinyl windows often cost between $525 and $740, with wood casement windows priced even higher. Picture windows typically range from $200 to $620, depending on size and material. At Koehler Home Improvement, we'll help you pick the style that fits both your home and your budget without compromising on quality. Impact-resistant windows, hurricane grade. Living in Florida means planning for hurricane season, and that starts with your windows. Our impact-resistant windows are engineered for maximum protection and peace of mind. Single-hung impact windows, priced between $1,000 and $2,400 installed. Sliding impact windows range from $1,400 to $3,400. Picture impact windows usually cost $1,600 to $4,000. Impact windows not only shield your home from severe storms but also boost energy efficiency and add long-term value. We proudly install top-rated hurricane-grade products that meet Florida's strictest building standards. Why choose Koehler Home Improvement? While costs can vary based on the window material, size, and energy-saving features, we guarantee competitive rates without sacrificing quality. Our experienced team handles every step of the project, from carefully removing old windows to expertly installing beautiful, durable replacements. We specialize in vinyl, wood, and impact-resistant window installations, energy-efficient window upgrades, customized solutions for any home size and style. Whether you're replacing just a few windows or investing in a full home update, we help you maximize value while keeping costs reasonable. Plus, new windows can boost your home's value and cut down on energy bills, making your investment even smarter over time. While these price ranges offer a helpful guide, final costs always depend on your home's specific needs, the type and number of windows you choose, and your personal design preferences. Every project is unique, and we're here to help you find the perfect solution. Contact Koehler Home Improvement today to schedule your free consultation and get a personalized quote tailored exactly to your project. Cheapest windows installation? Contact us today. Visit the link in the description below for more information.